Hello my lovely viewers, hello and welcome on my channel for another video with me. For those of you who are new here, my name is IULI and I'm welcoming all of you. In today's video I want to share with you a recipe that is great for breakfast, for those who want to fast, or for me who am a vegan lifestyle, plant-based lifestyle for more than 10 years. So scrambled tofu, imitation of scrambled eggs. Let's start. For the ingredients you will need 225 grams of smoked tofu. I like smoked tofu for the flavor. A small shallot, or you can use a small onion. I will use a little bit of pinch of turmeric or curcuma for that yellowish color. Sea salt and black pepper to taste. And a little bit of organic sunflower seeds oil. So let's prepare the recipe. The recipe is super easy, you will see. But before we start chopping everything, I need to tie my hair. No hair in the food, nobody likes that. Also, I will use an apron to just protect my dress for a little bit of mess, if that will happen. And let's start chopping first the shallot. My hands to scramble the tofu. My two main ingredients are chopped and crumbled, and now we start to assemble the recipe. I'm adding the oil, 1 tablespoon, not more. Okay, let me measure it for you. I'm waiting for the oil to get a little bit hot. I'm using a ceramic coated pan and a wooden spoon, and add the shallot. At this point, maximum 2 minutes, stir it occasionally. After 1 minute, 2 minutes, when your onion or your shallot change the color and start to be a little bit brown, add the tofu. I'm adding the lid for another 2 minutes, and I might need a little bit of water, so let me bring some water. Just a splash of water, not more. Now it's time to add the turmeric. Using powder. and the recipe is done in no time. It took me 10 minutes with everything, with chopping. It took me longer because I recorded, but usually it's 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. So this is how it looks like. I added a small salad and a small avocado on the side, and now I am adding black pepper. Sea salt. And I will squeeze a little bit of lime juice over. And here you have it. I have more than 10 years since I'm on the vegan plant-based lifestyle, and it works great for me. It works fantastic. The reason why I stopped eating eggs is because I became so conscious with what I'm eating, what I'm putting into my body. So the moment I realized that eggs are not healthy, was no coming back for me to eat eggs. I used to love eggs. Eggs was one of my favorite meal in the morning, also in the evening. But the moment I realized that they are not as healthy as they are food industry are claiming to be, I say it's no coming back. Nobody will do the change if I'm not making that change. I was a high professional athlete. I was exercising more than 10 training sessions in a week, and my cholesterol was higher than today. How is that possible? That's not normal. That's not normal. My diet was not helping me to perform to the level that I wanted. But of course, in that moment, I did not make the connections. But through research and hard research, I started to make the connection, and now everything makes sense. What you are eating, it helps you to perform better, or it helps you to slow it down better in anything that you do in your performance, in your career, in your day-to-day lifestyle. So eggs are not healthy, at least not in my opinion. Eggs, 1 little egg has more cholesterol than a big piece of steak. Eggs can clog your artery, your heart is in danger, your overall body is in danger, my body was in danger, and I say to myself, you need to take actions. Nobody will do it for me. I need to take action. So I wanted to see myself in 20 or 30, 40 years from now on, a beautiful young lady, aging beautifully. So that was my goal, that was my vision, and that's where I'm going through. But do your own research. My point is to do your own research. That's what I'm trying to say. Do your own research, find out yourself, and you take your own decisions from there. And now all is left to do is me enjoying this beautiful scrambled tofu. I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry, believe me, I'm very hungry. Because you stay there, prepare everything, and your stomach is, give me food, give me food. Now it's time to eat it. Hope you enjoy my video. Let me know if you tried before scrambled tofu, or if you like my recipe, if you will try my recipe. Comment below if you ever try tofu, scrambled tofu. And thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on my Instagram, IULI Fencing. Please subscribe to my channel, click the like, click the tiny little bell to be notified with my next video. And until the next time, stay safe, stay strong, and bye bye.